Hey, guess what, man? The two greatest people of all, my friends, but who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to the man in the pan. Yay! Hey, guess what, world? Here's the most beautiful student in UH Hilo, but who's the fastest chef?
Oh, man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to the man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today, gonna be really exciting. I'm gonna make for you fried Saimin. Okay? First thing I'm gonna do is put water inside of my frying pan. Turn it on. I got the sun noodle Saimin. Boil it inside my pan. I'm gonna grab some carrots and I'm gonna slice it all up. Slice it in slow pieces. Carrots not only gonna add some color, but it's gonna add some texture and some flavor. So I got about half carrots in there. Okay, then I grab some cabbage. Maybe I need about a pasta. Get some cabbage, okay? Just like that. Then I'll get about a little onions. Okay, dump them all in here. Take the basic sauce, okay? You see the dashi that's in the bag? Dump in one dashi. Dump in 1 tablespoon shoyu, 1 tablespoon of water. Right inside the dashi. Also added in half teaspoon of oyster sauce. Okay. Mix it all up. Then I'm gonna cut up some char siu. Slice it small slices. Chop up about 3 ounces of char siu. Now I got the kamaboko. Slice the kamaboko in julienne slices, just like this. Okay. Okay, put in about 6 ounces of spam. Okay, so that's half spam. Everything tastes better with spam. Okay, cut them in small pieces. I got my spam slice, my kamaboko slice, and my char siu slice. And I got my sauce already made. Keep the frying pan going. Put a little bit of oil in here. So guess what? I gotta fry one egg. Fry the egg first. Okay, pick up my egg. Okay. Here on the side, dump in my spam and all my meat. Okay? Just like that. Bring my vegetables. We got kamaboko, the char siu, the vegetables, everything all mixed up together. Okay? Dump in the noodles. And then I dump in the sauce. See what I'm doing with this? I'm kind of like cutting the noodles a little smaller. It's all done. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Remember these eggs? Chop them up. Dump them on top. And there you go. Fried Saimin. Gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. Wow. Oh! Oh! This stuff is so awesome. You get the right texture in here. You get the sweetness of the char siu, the saltiness of the spam, and you get all this flavor of the cabbage. Mmm. 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 Oh, good. Oh. So until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha! Now, don't forget to enter to win this pan in our giveaway. You find our giveaway posts on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or go to KTASuperstores.com/promotions for details. But again, don't forget, we've selected 5 guests to be part of the Man in the Pan from all of your 70 winners. We'll see you. Aloha. Good luck. Please enter.